Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in Solidworks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in Solidworks.
So today I am going to explain about adding a point and a virtual sharp between two lines. Left side you can see intersecting lines and there is a point. I am going to show you how to add this point in sketcher mode, and there is a virtual sharp in the right side. I am going to show you add this virtual sharp for non-connected lines. So I have taken a new Solidworks file, select the front plane, so go to sketch. So I am going to draw two lines, two intersecting lines. So for adding a point at this intersection point, select these two lines with control button and select this point. So you can see here. See, advantage of this point is we can dimension this line at the intersection. So I am going to show you non-connected line. See here. So select these two lines and select this point. So this is the virtual sharp. See here, for a virtual sharp or intersecting point there is an asterisk. So we can change this asterisk to other symbols. So we have to go to options, select document properties, and under dimensions we can see virtual sharps. So here there is a star. So instead of star we can add plus and witness line dot and none. So here I am showing you this plus symbol. See here it is changed to plus. So I am going to show you in the drawing. See, this is the first term of cone. So I want to show the apex of the cone in the drawing. So for that we have to select these two lines and select this point. See here. So it's easy for us to dimension. So from horizontal to see here. Similarly, we can draw a point at this intersection. So I am going to show you this component. See, this is the component. So I want to show this point at this point, the vertex of this point. So what we have to do is select this line and this line and select this point. So there is an intersection point. So here also it's easy for us to dimension at this intersection. Sometimes in metallic components we add chamfer to a component. See, this is the chamfer. So for chamfer dimensioning, suppose before showing this virtual sharp, I am going to dimension this chamfer. See here. See, this is the point. See here. So there is a intersection of this dimension line. So there is a clumsiness in this dimension. To avoid such problem, what we have to do is select these two lines and select this point. So there is an asterisk here. So now when we dimension, select this point and this point. Similarly, select this point and this point. So there is no intersection of this dimensional line, so it's easy for us to read the drawing. So this is the advantage of adding the virtual sharp. So this is brief about adding a point and a virtual sharp between two lines. Thanks for watching.